Hi guys, Arthur here from Homeowner DIY. Guys, this is your quick tip of the week. So this cabinet here is a new cabinet. You can see how the trap is sitting on the bottom here. Now, the trap barely fit, but the issue is that I can't get the FOP portion here onto this because it is sticking up too far. So this is the simple way to fix this problem without raising the trap arm, which I have done in a previous video. So all we'll do now is material and tools. Right, this is our material and tools list. So I have an 1.5" Fernco, also known as an MJ or a flex coupling, hacksaw measuring tape, 5/16 nut driver, and then a 5/16 ratchet. This is all we need for material and tools on this job, so let's get started. Alright, so for a piece here, from the top to the bottom down here is about 2.5 inches. So our Fernco is 3 3/8, which means if I cut this at 3 inches, so if I cut 3 inches out of here, that'll be enough space to be able to pull this part out, or one of these parts apart, and then be able to take this off. Alright, so tight right there is how much we have to space to work with. So this will be enough to take this off. Alright, so how a Fernco, also known as an MJ, as in a mechanical joint, works. All you do is slide the thing on, just like that, and then you tighten up the gear clamp. So this is a 5/16, which is standard for plumbing. And then go with the ratchet. Now there is a such thing as going too tight. You'll snap this band, you'll hear it snap, and then it'll never tighten anymore. So as soon as you start feeling a little bit of resistance, stop. So we'll slide that on there. And also, if you have a problem getting the pipe onto the Fernco, probably the band is a little bit too tight. Okay, so now this will be removable. So one side, probably the bottom, take this apart, slide this up, and then you're going to be able to take the trap off. Again, because this cabinet is not original, that's why the trap arm is so low. But this is a simple way to fix this problem. Everything is still serviceable, and it looks fairly decent as well. Guys, that is your quick tip of the week.